Just as with differentiation, the integral of expressions which are the sum of two functions are obtained by treating each term separately. This, of course, generalizes to sums of more than two functions. If we consider this example, we would integrate the 2x squared, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power. And remember that there's a power of 1 here that we don't normally write. We increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power and add the constant. For this expression, we write down the 3, increase the power by 1, a half add 1 is 3 over 2, and divide by the new power. Write down the 2, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power, and add the constant. We're now dividing by a fraction, so we turn the fraction upside down and multiply. So it becomes 2/3 times the 3x to the 3 over 2, and the same here. It will become 2 over 1 times the 2x to the half, add the constant. The 3's here will cancel, so this term becomes 2x to the 3 over 2, and here 2 times 2 is 4, so we get 4x to the half plus c.